Hey, it's StevieB. I'm here at Bikepark, Wales. It's 9th, 10th of March 2025, thereabouts. Perfect day, warmest day of the year so far. Been here all day, it's just been an awesome day. Going to do my last section, which is going to be the favourite one for me so far, which is Popty Ping to start with a bit of poppy jumpy sections. Then that drops into hot stepper, so a bit more techie, and then finishes on Terry's Valley, so that's really swoopy. Really good fun, really long trail, takes you all the way down to the bottom, and it's just good fun. So anyone considering coming down to Bikepark Wales, come and do it. It's just an awesome trail centre. Quality of service is really good, staff are really friendly, so it's just an awesome day, especially when it's a day like today, because it's been perfect weather. Trails have been dry, just a few puddles, but very few. So, but yeah, here's a video of me going down, so enjoy. Okay, so Popty Ping. Oh, it's going to be dark now. So it's about 3:30. It's been really light all day. Keep bringing these jumps in too fucking short, which I'm not too pleased about. Just want to get short as well. It was short, that one, but closer than it's been all day. Well, closer than the last one. I've already done this once before. That one I can nail. This one I think I can generally get, yeah. And this one as well. Bit short on that one. Okay, so these trails now merge. What's that? Terry's Valley. There. On my left comes hot stepper. Then they combine down here. Nice bit of flow. Then we've got the split. So I'm going to go right into the jump, or steppers I should say, because it's hot stepper is the name of it all. So for the steps, and wait, come on. Look at this, dry trail. But down here it's just fucking awesome. Been trying to push myself on some of the more jumpy sections today. Not this one. Actually, the proper jumps is not something I do a lot of, something I need to do a lot more of and get better on. So practice, 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 as they say. Right. Hop, hop, hop. So I think we're still on hot stepper now. Gotta be. Oh, more into that one. Okay, this might be This has got me Terry's Valley now. just been to the trail merge. I need to straight line that one. I'm just going to go down here, which I should have done. Don't take off the speed, and then put the brakes on. Oh, I need to put the right foot on the pedal properly. But weather-wise, been sunny all day. It really has been an excellent day. Been here on my own, but loads of friendly riders out, have a chat in the van on the way up and stuff. Some blatantly don't want to chat. I just leave them to it. Supposed to. Ah, first crash of the day. That's me getting tired then. Oh well, no harm done. That's a bit sore mine. Suppose I won't come up again. Bike will be okay. Bike will be fine. Bike's made of stronger stuff than me, and I'm okay. He says he's veering all over the place. Oh, something's rattling though. I'll sort that out in a minute. That's the end of the trail. I can find out what's rattling.